Metrolina Greenhouses is the largest single-site greenhouse in the United States.
Metrolina established itself in 1972. We've been here 37 years now. My father actually started the company with 2 employees and a little quarter-acre greenhouse, and today we have over 600 employees and $100 million in sales. We sell to the big box retailers, so Walmart and Lowe's are our 2 biggest customers.
Right now, this time of year, we have mums coming into season to ship through the Eastern Seaboard.
Our challenge was we had grown from a $10 million family business into a $100 million corporation over about 15 short years, and we didn't catch up technology-wise. And so we had customers who were more demanding, had more data needs. We had an internal structure that needed more information shared between different departments. We had to upgrade our technology into something that was much more integrated, much more focused to allow our departments to work together. And we brought in 5 different companies, did a thorough analysis of each program and each software, and Mass 500 just came in with a much better overall program. It was the only one we saw that allowed all of our departments to integrate together, and they were willing to customize it for our particular industry.
We've done a lot of work on sales customizations. You will not find anything close in this industry as what we've worked with Sage and what they've already come up with.
Before Mass 500, I would run in the analysis, and then we would have to go and take all these sheets and print them out, go into each individual order and take off or adjust the quantities of each shipment we had. And whereas with Mass 500, we can just go into, a screen and hit the button, and every order is updated within a matter of seconds.
One of the features that I use on a daily basis is the mass change function, and this is something that Mass 500 has customized for us. I can't live without it. If I come in and mass change wasn't working for some reason, then I might as well go home.
Our initial plan was to have a sales, receiving, accounting, payables, receivables type system that could integrate everything. But what we really found the biggest part of Mass 500 for us was the ERP capability, the ability to manage inventory effectively. With Mass 500, the warehouse module is going to allow us to reduce our inventories. Just in the few short months we've done it, we're already down about 15% in inventory, even while sales are up 10%.
We decided that we needed to do a warehouse automation solution in conjunction with RFID because, as you can see from this place, it's hundreds of acres. With that, we knew we had to have a central warehouse, a central location to deposit all of our raw materials. The problem with that is you have so many production lines doing so much. We just really couldn't stop and say, okay, we have to count this. We had to be able to get it out and get it to a production area. We worked with Sage to find out, okay, here's what we want to do, and what we've come up with is an RFID system where when raw materials come in, we can use our handheld readers. It's a wireless type of access. They can pull up a PO, make sure the right things are being received with the right bill lading. At that point, we can give it an RFID tag, place it in the warehouse, and even better, when they do say, okay, it's time for this work order to come up, we have the ability to bring that inventory out to the RFID gate and make sure that the right parts are going out to the right work order, and it's being released instantly from our DC warehouse into our production warehouses. It's fantastic. Instead, it allows our folks to work smarter, more effectively, and more efficiently without having to mine the data. The data comes to us so we can make better decisions. These are yellow mums, decorative pot. Probably my mom's favorite right now. Since we've implemented Sage Mass 500, we've had growth in the double-digit millions. So we've been able to grow the system while growing the company.
They worked with us and built with us, and the software allowed us to rebuild processes, so not just speed up an existing way of doing work. We learned a new way to do work. What Mass 500's allowed us to do is see what we can do 5, 10, and 15 years from now, and that's a big part of it.
Bottom line, Mass 500 has impacted our business. We've been able to pick up additional stores, grow our sales with the same staff that we had before.
Just now starting to realize a lot of the benefit, a lot of the ROI. I mean, ROI on just the initial software itself was realized really quickly.
Our people have learned to use the tool, and it's made them better employees and more productive employees. And I can't correlate that into an exact number on the bottom line, but I know it's big, and I know it's important for what we're trying to get done.
We've had a lot of fun growing with Mass 500.
Metrolina Greenhouses, we're growing product for you, and Mass 500 is helping us get that done.